Check it out, guys. Welcome back to Lolo Creates. My name is Lauren and I make bullet journal videos, DIYs, hand lettering tutorials, and much more in the creative realm. So if you like that type of video, then click the subscribe button down below and I will be sure to put out more content for you guys. In today's video, I'm setting up my bullet journal for August 2021. I'm super excited for this theme because it's pineapples. I love pineapples, anywhere from decor to actually eating it. So if you like pineapples as well, then you might want to check this video out. Also, if you guys want to check out my Etsy shop, I actually made a digital download for you guys. It's only $4 and you can edit it on an iPad or any type of device like that. You can also put it on your phone if you want to type in little text boxes, but I basically just turned everything that I did in this video into a digital download. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want me to add any other features, let me know and I'll try my best to accommodate them. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. So you guys kind of got a sneak peek of my cover and playlist, but this is my first page. I have all these little tiny pineapples. They're not the same size exactly, and every pineapple is different, so they don't have to be perfect. I just took them and I rotated them around the page. Some of them are upside down, some of them are sideways, some of them are left, right, any which way. And then on the left side, I did a bit bigger pineapple and wrote August playlist on this side. And then on the right, I wrote August up top, and I decided to kind of outline the pineapples with a little box as well. I'm using my Tombow Funusuke and my Pigma Micron. I'll leave all the pens in the description. This is my Tombow dual brush pen. I'm just filling in all the pineapples with this yellow color. I did make sure to let the pen dry a little bit before I did this because I didn't want it to smear at all. I'm going in with a Kelly Creates brush pen and filling in the tops. If you have the Tombow Funusuke small brush pens, I think this would be a great pen for you, but I use my Kelly Creates because I actually don't have the colored ones right now. Hopefully I'll get them soon because my Kelly Creates is actually running out of ink. I'm taking my Pigma Micron and doing this kind of cross-hatching diagonal lines on the pineapples to create the pattern. They're not perfect by any means, but it's a curved line in both directions. For the month at a glance, I'm doing my 5x5 monthly calendar layout. I think you guys have seen me do this before. This is my favorite calendar layout, so I'm just going to do it again. On the left-hand side, I'm doing a YouTube and Instagram box, but you guys can use these for goal trackers, school, to-do lists, whatever you need on the left-hand side to just look back at the beginning of the month. And then I did my little pineapples all around the top and added some on the bottom as well. Then I went up top and colored in the pineapples with yellow and green and added August in brush calligraphy. I then colored in the tops of the pineapples green. Again, I went in and did the cross-hatching. These lines are curved and just in two different directions. They're kind of both curved downward or upward depending on how you do it. Then I added in yellow up top on the days of the week and wrote YouTube and Instagram on the left-hand side. And then I wrote the days of the week up top and dated the calendar. Week 1, I did one of my favorite layouts, so there are 8 boxes, and the first one I turned into a pineapple, and then the rest of them are a box with a little title tag up top and a pineapple in the corner. Again, I colored in all the pineapples on the page. I also colored in those tags with yellow. Finally, I added August on top of the large pineapple. Then I put the diagonal lines on top of the small pineapples, and I wrote the days of the week in their boxes. For week number 2, I decided to do this layout that I've done before. I think it was in my December plan with me, and I put these lines with circles on the end, and then each one of these little boxes is going to be one day, and there's an extra space for notes or events or whatever you want on the bottom corner. Down the center, I drew different pineapples rotated in different directions, and I think this spread turned out really good. I colored in each pineapple in yellow and green and added the details as I've done in prior pages. I also decided to alternate the green and yellow instead of just choosing one of them for those circles. Finish off by adding the days of the week and dates. For week number 3, I decided to switch it up. Instead of doing those box layouts, I did a horizontal box layout. So I drew pineapples along the left-hand column of both pages. Honestly, here I started trying to go really fast with the pineapples because I figured when you flick your wrist quickly, the leaves come out a little bit better. And then I drew those 8 boxes and colored in the pineapples. Then I added the details to the pineapples. Finish off the spread by adding the days of the week. For the final week, I decided to do these pineapples on the left-hand side. They're just rotated in every which way, and I kind of did another similar layout with those boxes, except I split the weekend into 2 smaller boxes. Then I colored in the pineapples again and added the days of the week and details to the pineapples. Here's the final flip through. If you guys don't want to make this yourself, but you do like the theme, you can always go check out my Etsy shop and download the pages. You can click the subscribe button on the screen right here or watch this next video. And you can also check out my TikTok and Instagram page. I'll see you guys next time.